po ng ating buting mayor.
Alright, good morning, Mayor Edwin Olivares. Natin ating congressman, our former mayor yan, Congressman
Eric De Leon Olivares.
Good morning, Kong Eric.
Magandang umaga, Congressman. Kasama na natin si Consel George Marquez.
Ayan,
Good morning, Ate Janet.